Okay, good morning, everyone. All right, today is 27th of November 2023. It is about 12 noon here. All right, this week is week number 48. Okay, so as you know, we only have 4 weeks away from the end of the year. So I expect going forward, I think market is going to be a little bit slowed down in my opinion. So this is the best time for you to take a short break or study your trade that you have taken throughout the year. See where you can improve, where is your good, where are the bads, this kind of stuff. All right, you don't have to press on and keep on trading all the while. Sometimes you need to take a step back and you can study your own trade and see where you can improve. All right, so this video I'm going to go through you for this week analysis. So what I'm expecting, all those stuff. So like you already know, of course it's not a trading advice, right? So it's just my opinion and my idea only. All right, so let's start. Okay, so let's start with the news that we will be having this week. Okay, so basically pretty much on the right side, all right, on the right screen. So today is Monday. We do not have so much item until 10 p.m. in evening time, as you can see here. All right. So whatever happening right now is basically pretty much, those people never trade over the weekend, right? Then they try to release their addiction per se, right? So that's a reason why market is moving quite significantly right now. But I think it will tone down later, and the real move shall only come in later part of the day. So try not to be so taken away or carried away by today morning. So this is one of the reasons why I do not really like to trade on Monday. Okay, and most of the time, Monday trades shouldn't be so taken so seriously. Okay, all right. So let's start with the news. We have some news are coming up, and basically throughout the whole week we have a news until pretty much until Friday. They are not like Federal Reserve news. They are not those federal. They are not like Federal Reserve news, right? But they are still the other pairs items, such as like New Zealand. We have a New Zealand rate decision and stuff like that, and we also have some Euro item, right? And also we also have CAD and stuff like that. So there will be some news throughout the week. Okay, so please pay attention to it. All right, and after the news, let's go through the flow analysis, right? So we have the flow having pretty strong for the past 1, 2, 3, 4. So minimum 3 weeks, the flow have been really on the rise. I think that explains why we have a very bullish week over the past 3 weeks, right? And apparently, it most likely will continue to do so. Of course, we cannot see the future, but this is what the apparently going to be looks like. So I think the market is going to go up higher, or we can say we are stay under risk on. So if you are shorting anything against the market, it is considered kind of a counter trend at this moment because the flow for the past few weeks, they have been really, really strong to the upside. Okay, so the flow is good. Okay, let's start with the individual item. Okay, as usual, okay, I will post the timestamp in the YouTube video. I will post this later. Please do me a favor. You can press like, subscribe, and do comment and share all those stuff. And I also will put the timestamp so that which pair will come one after another, and you can if you want to skip, you can skip to whichever item that you like. All right, so let's start with the British pound. So British pound over the weekend, we have quite a bullish mood, right? Overall last week. And I think this week we're likely to continue so. All right, the only concern I have it a little bit here is that since the market is already go up quite a lot already, all right, we might see some pullback before they go up higher again. So instead of chasing the market, I think we may have a good support level. You may want to wait at a good support level for potential bullish by then, because by doing so, you will not likely suffer any drawdown. So from here, I can identify this level, which is around 1.255. Right, 1.255 will be a very good support. If the price ever come back here, I think that this where likely the bounce gonna happen. So just to conclude, instead of chasing and buying immediately, I think waiting and buy might be the better choice here. Okay, so direction stay on the up to me. And then, if let's say it's go up higher, where can they go to? I think they will eventually go to here, in my opinion. This is a very nice congested area. And of course, this is a lower band of the congested area, right? So which is around 1.266. So we are talking about from 1.255 to 1.266. So it's about 110 pip potential move we have in stock. All right. So I'm still bullish overall. Instead of buying immediately, maybe we should look for wait and buy will be the better choice. All right. Let's move on. Euro also pretty much similar. All right. We are already been sort of like already at the resistant already, and moreover we are at this congested area, so market may do some kind of pullback in stock. All right, overall trend is still bullish to me, as long as such as this level is not really strongly broken. We can loosely translate 1.085. As long as this level or this region is not strongly broken, I think we are stay in the uptrend. So instead of immediately looking for a buy and going up, you may want to wait it out to buy in at the lower price. Okay, if you really want to buy in, because sometimes market didn't go down, market go up immediately. Of course, if you're waiting, but if it happened, if you are waiting for a pullback, of course you will miss the trade lah, right? But the point here is that if you really want to buy in, I mean, by all means, yeah, right? You are taking a risk anyway, but make sure you don't put any stop loss in between here. So because of the wider stop loss per se, when you entry now, your stop loss have to be, wider. That's the reason why your loss size have to be smaller. Your loss sizing must be smaller. Okay, so anyway, the point here, we are still quite bullish. They will go back higher. They may go up immediately, or may go back down and go back up. So depend on how aggressive you are, right? If you're really aggressive, go in, but you must, there's a price to pay, all right? Or you may want to wait it out, patiently, then you may want to wait from here as well. So to me, as long as this level is not strongly broken, 1.085, I think it's quite bullish. Okay, all right. So this is my two item. Okay, Aussie should be similar, right? Aussie should be similar. Okay, Aussie also similar. All right, we may have some pullback. So where is whenever you talk about pullback, you look for a support level. All right. So what is a pullback support level? That was a very obvious pullback level that it had here. You see the market go up, come back down, being supported, and go up higher. So if they ever pull back to come back down here, I think the likelihood of coming back is here at the moment, right? So where are we talking about? We are talking about somewhere around 0.652 region. So currently we are 657, right? So the point here is that if the market likely to go down first, I think they can go down 50 point more, in my opinion. All right, 50 point first. Sorry, I beg your pardon. So 50 point first, in my opinion. So wait and buy will be the better choice as well. Okay, so these are the item. All right, New Zealand should be the same. I mean, almost all of them are the same. All right, let's see. Similar thing, just very similar to this Aussie. All right, you can see they are kind of like pulling right back. Same thing. This is a good support. Okay, just keep in mind, we have Wednesday, we have this official rate that will be coming out. So I think the New Zealand pair will be really priming for the next big move, in my opinion. Okay, likely the big move is going to go up eventually. So I mean, before, now we are only Monday. So before now on Wednesday, I think what the market might do is that I think they might do this kind of thing, in my opinion. So no hurry to buy in. Just wait it out at the support level will be the better choice. Which level are we talking about? 0.6 region. Okay. So I just covered 4 of the item. Most of them are having the same scenario. If you want to buy in, I think wait and buy will pay you, give you a lower drawdown, in my opinion. All right. Okay. Another one is gold. Okay, gold, we have a very big move over this morning. All right, I think this is a kind of like a stop hunt mode. I think a lot of stop that hovering around here are being stopped out already. So I think what's going to happen is a gold are likely to going to go up higher, but same thing, you must give some leeway to that as well. I think the very good support could have been somewhere around here to put the number is around 1975. So my thinking 1975 will be a good level. So let the market go down lower, and I think wait from this region will be the better choice as well. Nonetheless, overall the market stay up move. All right. So I think in the 2024 as well, I think gold and silver will do a lot better and going to go up in my opinion. Silver also same. All right. In fact, I just I think over the weekend, over the last Friday, I have closed some position out already from my long position. I think silver is going to go up higher and stay on the buy side as well. I took some profit out, then I will wait for another round and I will try to look for a buy entry again. So for the near foreseeable future, all right, I think silver is going to go up higher. All right. Of course, we do not know whether they will go up directly or they will make some pullback or not. Anyway, the direction is still up to me. So it's direction looks stay up to me. So instead of selling, wait, either you buy or wait for a buy only. Okay, trading need a lot of patience. So anyway, the direction I'm quite clear here. I think we're going to go up higher. All right. So both of them are on the bullish side as well. All right. Another one is US dollar pair ready. Okay, US dollar. Okay, US dollar. Actually, I was expecting market will go lower. All right, then the market already went lower already. So, you see last Friday got pinned and stuff like that. So what I'm going to do is I think we can wait around this area for the next down again. We are roughly talking about 1.375 region. Okay, please write it down or please note it down those level because these level are the important support or resistance. Okay, for this case, US dollar Canadian, I think going to go down lower, provided I think the market being resisted well here. Okay, if let's say the market really break this level, then we will reach to another paradigms, right? But for now, I expect this level will be a very important level, 1.375. Okay. All right, so we are done with US dollar Canadian. Okay, let's move on to US dollar CHF. All right, US dollar CHF, I am expecting kind of like a sideways yo-yo move at the moment. One of the reason because you see for the past few days, it have been really going sideways candle, right? So I think we have a bit like yo-yo and sideways movement in my opinion. I will skip this pair at this moment. Not really so exciting in my opinion. All right, not really exciting in my opinion. Okay, so another and last but not least is US dollar JPY. Okay, US dollar JPY is they are like kind of like at this level, resistance level. That's why they the market go back to this region, then they are being rejected already. So I think what's gonna happen is they're gonna swing around here in my opinion. All right. Overall, it's of course bearish, but I don't think it may not go down immediately. So in my opinion, stay on the slightly bearish or neutral will be the right choice in my opinion. All right. So I have covered all the US dollar pair as well, major US dollar pair. Okay, just a quick recap. I am overall stay quite bullish against US dollar at this moment. Okay, I would like to see how this flow condition end. Let's say by end of this week, the flow really drop a lot. Of course, we need to be cautious ready. If drops we have we have to so-called reconsider our analysis. But for now, as long as this guy is going up higher, I think US dollar those pair against US dollar, such as like XXS US dollar, I think we're likely to continue higher. All right, so let's see how it goes. We will monitor again as throughout the week. Okay, so far I have a few recommendations. I have one recommendation to be precise. I am especially looking at the silver potential buy side, and I am also looking at Aussie whether can go back up higher or not. But nonetheless, I think I will do the patient, right? I will wait on buy instead of chasing the market just like that. Okay, so this on my Forex pair. All right, let's take a look on the US market. All right. Okay, US market is like just this because this red color candle we shouldn't take it so seriously just yet. One of the reasons because the market haven't even really opened yet. Maybe by end of today, see how the candle goes, right? US session haven't even started. This is just a future market only. So anyway, I'm expecting overall will be quite bullish still, all right, because of the thanks to the flow. Okay, just keep in mind one thing though, I want to show you. Okay, on your right is basically is your CFD chart. Basically, you trade with the brokers, CFD brokers, right? On the left is basically is a future chart. This is where the those future brokers come from. So futures basically is they they exchange those CBOT, CME, this kind of big American exchange. So to me, I take this data feed, the volume very seriously. All right. If you look at it here, this is a weekly chart, by the way, on your right. You see, for the past 3-4 weeks, right? It takes almost 9 to 8 weeks to come down, but it only takes 4 weeks to go back up. Can you see that? All right. So it see almost 9 to 10 weeks to come down, but it only takes 4 weeks to go back up. Okay. The so-called the careful part, that the worrying part is that you see for the past 4 weeks there was no volume in the market. So to me, this I will interpret this is a kind of like a there's no participant in the market while the market is going up. Okay, so it's like there's no force in the market. All right, of course, because of there's no force in the market. I mean, it is a double-edged sword, right? There's no force in the market go up also very, very easy, but at the same time the market come down also very easy. So we can say danger. You can say it's a danger for sure because there's no underlying forces, but of course sometimes danger is also an opportunity, right? Right. So please be careful on that. So I am expecting the bullishness will be stay continue so, but please be very, very careful because there's nothing really much that really supporting the price. If there's a little bit of strong push to the downside coming in, they will crumple pretty fast. Okay, I hope you got my point. So far, I'm still quite bullish, where I'll be watching it very closely. All right, so this on the US market. Next is Hong Kong index. Okay, Hong Kong neutral or slightly bearish going on at the moment. Okay, let's see how the price do. As of right now, it's of course bearish. Let's see how it go. For my weekly plan is I'm not really interested on this fella. I'm just KIV at the moment. All right. So another one is German DAX. German DAX shall follow US market, right? So same thing. They have the same problem. Almost 10 weeks to go down, only take 4 weeks to come back up. So, and moreover, the caution is there's no volume in the market when the market is coming back up. So please have a very, very careful tone on that. All right. Okay, let's moving on. WTI. Okay, WTI is kind of like making some pulling right back to some control area, which is around 77.5 region, and after that they are making a pullback. So I think what will happen to the WTI is that I think we may have neutral or slightly bearish mode. I won't be bullish until this level is broken up again. So 77.8, all right, this will be the important level for me to watch. The price could not break up, no bullish. Okay, so currently I'm neutral or slightly bearish at this moment. Okay, so the next one is BTC. All right, BTC also slightly similar, like all the commodity. All right, I will be neutral at this moment. I think BTC, what might happen is that overall it stay quite bullish, right? Overall it stay quite bullish, but I don't think they will go up immediately. They will do some bouncing up and down, in my opinion. So if you are into BTC or crypto in general, please be patient a little bit. Don't trade just because of the previous weeks. The market having going up. Don't expect market to continue to do so, because I think there are some rollover coming in. Market may do some pullback before they go up higher. So my take is that if you want to like get in, maybe by waiting, so you can get in at a later price. I'm thinking this level will be a very good support level. We are talking about 36.3, this kind of region. Okay, all right. So last but not least, let's talk a bit on the natural gas. Okay, natural gas. I was expecting market will do some sort of bounce somewhere around this region. So we have yet to do. We have yet to see so. All right, market really could not like go back up a lot, and they are going down instead actually. So let's see how it go. And of course, if the market break this fella very strongly, which is 1.265, this is where the bearishness will really take over. So it's not really advisable to buy in right now unless we see some bullish candle or so. Okay, we need to wait if you want to buy. All right, and again, if this 2.65 level is really broken down, we have a very strong bearish mood further will come back in. So as of right now, I think if we are bullish, or if you are bullish, we need to be very careful. Do not add position if you already have one. Okay, let the market play out first. Okay, so let's see how it's go. I'm neutral or slightly bearish as of right now. I won't be adding any long position at this moment. All right, so okay, so I just make it short and sweet. Thank you very much for watching. If you really like the video, please help me like, share, and stuff like that. And as a summary, I repeat, I am still quite bullish against US dollars, especially silver and Aussie. All right, but please be cautious as well. This week is, I mean, since we are going into the end of the year, I think market can be a little bit irrational. And last but not least, US market. I have already explained to you already. For the past 4 weeks, the market having up, and it will likely to continue to up. So, but there's a very big but. Please be cautioned, because I noticed there's no forces or no strength that really supporting the recent rise of the stock market. So a little bit of bearishness or strong bearishness coming, this whole thing will crumble pretty fast. So please be careful. All right. So guys, thank you very much. And yeah, see you again. Have a great week ahead, guys. Bye for now.